Inside this free ebook, you'll gain valuable insights into the simple yet highly effective methods you need to adopt to confidently attract and seduce women. You'll discover proven techniques that tap into the psychology of attraction, allowing you to understand the subtle cues and behaviors that naturally draw women toward you. This guide will break down the key strategies step by step, helping you build the charm, confidence, and charisma that are essential for creating strong connections with women. Whether you're looking to enhance your dating life or simply improve your social interactions, this ebook provides a comprehensive roadmap that will transform the way you approach women, giving you the tools to make a lasting impression and develop deeper, more meaningful relationships. By the end, you'll have mastered the art of attraction and seduction with ease and authenticity, unlocking your full potential in the world of dating.